And then what about like institutions as they come into this? Like, are they looking at this all just from like a speculation standpoint? Are they trying to build assets?
No. When you say institutions, let's define that institutions. I mean, there are two types of institutions. There are like financial services institutions, kind of what we've been talking about because of the DeFi bend, but there's also, just enterprises or what, Adidas, Nike, whatever. So on the financial institutions, they're very aware that the power of the blockchain or the crypto system is that when you need information and money to move at the same time, blockchain is a very powerful tool for that. So when you settle a stock, there are so many intermediaries. We talked about Swift earlier, there's so many intermediaries. Credit cards, there's so many intermediaries, and they're all working off of their own respective databases, and lots of reconciliation has to happen. A lot of the financial services players are actually experimenting with blockchain. The amount of experimentation on blockchain and development, not just experimentation, innovation labs, but the amount of development, whether it's the JPM coin, Monetary Authority of Singapore with DBS, with JPM trying to tokenize wholesale lending, Citi doing the custody recently, SocGen, working with MakerDAO. They are looking at it as a way, the technology as a way to create efficiency and create more productivity and squeeze costs out. So that's one part of the equation for institutions. The other part of institutions is really new business models that will enhance user experience. Brave browser, for instance. I think, it's been around for a long time, so I'm sure you know of it and your audience knows it too. But I think it's kind of cool that they protect you and your privacy. They don't allow your digital fingerprint or your digital traversing of the internet to just be sold. You have to actually opt into that. So once you opt into that, then you can get paid in basic attention tokens. So you actually decide on your privacy. You own your data. And in other words, like, tokenization and this whole new world for institutions will change because the users will now be, at some point, will be able to basically turn their searching into an asset via tokenization and get the choice of privacy or monetization.